Morning dear kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing at home. Now again, welcome to your computer class, and today we are going to read chapter number 6. Okay, from your computer book, chapter number 6. I hope you have done your chapter number 5 on your book. I have already sent chapter number 5 book exercise also and the video of chapter 5th. Okay, so now today I am going to teach you chapter number 6. The name of the chapter is Computer chapter number 6. The name of the chapter is Using a Mouse. So when we have learned in chapter number 4 the parts of a computer, in that we have learned one part is mouse also. And the chapter number 5th, what is your chapter number 5th? It's about keyboard. Now today we will learn about mouse. Okay, so I am showing you mouse first, then we'll start reading of the chapter. Okay, so this is a mouse, and I hope you have seen this before also, and you have maybe you have in your house also. This is a mouse. So in mouse we have 3 buttons, right button and left button and scroll bar. This is a scroll bar. Okay, right button, left button and scroll bar. And we always need a pad. We need a mouse pad to keep it on. अगर हम उसके ऊपर नहीं रखेंगे तो हमारा माउस क्या है, अच्छे से वर्क नहीं करता है. ओके, सो नाउ we'll read about the mouse in detail. Okay, have you seen the mouse? So this is a computer mouse. Okay, it has a tail also like a real mouse. Okay, now get ready, take out your book with me and read the chapter. Okay, so come and read with me. Okay, let's read the chapter. Chapter number 6, Using a Mouse. Children, all of you must have seen a mouse in and around your house. Let us know about it. Mouse. This is a real mouse. It's not computer mouse. It's a real mouse. A mouse is small in size. Just look at mouse is small in size. It has a tail. This is a tail. It has a tail. It runs very fast. And I knew that some of the students have mouse in their house also. And they were very irritating. Na? Nobody like mouse at home. Na? So I also don't like. Okay? Next. Now let us talk about the computer mouse. And this is a computer mouse. This is what? This is a computer mouse. It is also small, na? Computer mouse is also small. It has a tail also. Look, it has a tail also. So, and this is the real mouse that we have read about the real mouse, na? So this is a mouse. This is not real because ma'am is not handling mouse in there. Her hand, this is just a toy mouse. Okay, it is small in size and it has a tail also. Just look at the tail. Okay, and this is a computer mouse. Okay, so it is small. It is what? It is small. It looks like a real mouse, na? It's look like a little real, na? It's a look like a real mouse. It has 2 or 3 buttons. It has 2 or 3. 1, 2 and 3 buttons. So mouse has how many buttons? 3 buttons. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 buttons on it. It has a tail. Just look at the tail. This is a tail. Okay. It has a tail which is fixed to the CPU. This. We fix this to the CPU. Okay. Whenever we want to work, we need a mouse. So first of all, what we do, we just fix tail with CPU. Okay, fix to the CPU nowadays we also use wireless mouse. Nowadays what we use wireless mouse. Wireless mouse means we don't have any tail. Okay, जो wireless mouse होते हैं उसमें ये wire नहीं होती है, फिर भी वो work करता है. Okay, now next, a mouse help us to. And where is the, have you seen this mouse, where it is? It is on the mouse pad. We always need mouse pad, okay, to keep on mouse. Okay, next is a mouse help us to. What mouse, what is the function of mouse, why we need mouse? Just read. This is a mouse pointer. This is what? Mouse pointer. Draw pictures, select any item on the monitor, play games. Why we need a mouse? Whenever we want to draw anything on computer, we need what? We need a mouse. Select any item on the monitor, that time also we need a mouse, because we have to just need a mouse and cursor move on, and whatever which item we want to open, just we click on there with the help of mouse. Play games, for playing game also we need mouse. Okay, now next, when we move the mouse, we see a small arrow moving on the monitor. That I'm already show you. This is a small arrow moving on the monitor. Okay, when we move the mouse, we see a small arrow moving on the monitor. This arrow is called the माउस पॉइंटर. ये जो एरो छोटा सा हमारी स्क्रीन पे इधर उधर भागता रहता है ना, जब हम लैपटॉप पे काम कर रहे होते हैं, मॉनिटर पे काम कर रहे होते हैं, तो स्मॉल एरो हम देखते हैं, इसको हम माउस पॉइंटर कहते हैं. नाउ टर्न नेक्स्ट पेज विद मैम. पेज नंबर, दिस इज 39. नाउ विल ओपन पेज नंबर 40. नाउ कम टू पेज नंबर 40. ओके, जस्ट लुक how to hold a mouse, and here is showing how to we hold a mouse like this. We hold a mouse like this. Okay, this is a index finger and this is your middle finger. Index finger, middle finger, right click, left click, and hold the mouse like this. Okay, don't put your finger on scroll bar, just put right and left. Okay, this is the index finger and this is a middle finger, and this is scroll wheel. This is what? Scroll wheel. Okay, left button, right button. Okay, so just look at the picture also. Here is also showing how to hold a mouse. Middle finger is here, scroll wheel is between both the buttons, and right button, left button, and index finger. Place your index finger on the left mouse button. ये जो index finger थी मैम ने कहाँ रखी थी? लेफ्ट साइड, यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड में. And place the middle finger on the right mouse button. और middle finger को right button पे रखना है. Okay? Hold the mouse with rest of the finger. बाकी जो fingers बच गई हैं उससे हमको क्या करना है? माउस को पकड़ना है ऐसे करके, ऐसे. Just look. Okay? Then finger and thumb. Rest your palm on the mouse. Palm किसको कहते हैं? इसको कहाँ रखना है? ऐसे करके माउस पे रखना है. Okay? Next, using the mouse buttons. All of us have seen a camera. Have you seen the camera? You have camera at your home. I knew that. And now these days everybody has camera in their phones, na? So what would you say to your parents if you want to take their photographs? If you want to take a picture or take a photograph of your parents, so what you say? Let me click your photographs. The mouse also has the same function, clicking. Whenever we want to take a photograph, what we have to do? Click. We have to do click, click. Same like when mouse also has the same function of clicking. Okay, we have to do clicking on mouse also. Pressing the mouse button once is called clicking. जब हम एक बार इस माउस बटन को ऐसे प्रेस करते हैं, क्लिक आवाज आती है. सो क्लिकिंग. ओके, वन टाइम क्लिक, क्लिकिंग. ओके, एंड सेलेक्ट एन आइटम, फिर हम इसको क्या करते हैं, आइटम को सेलेक्ट करते हैं, उसके बाद में डबल क्लिक करते हैं। आइटम हमने सेलेक्ट की, एक बार क्लिक किया, जब हमें उस आइटम को खोलना है तो क्या करेंगे, डबल क्लिक, ओके, 2 बार क्लिक करना है। डबल क्लिक मीन्स प्रेसिंग द लेफ्ट माउस बटन ट्वाइस क्विकली, दिस मेक्स 2 क्लिक साउंड एंड ओपन एन आइटम। 2 बार क्लिकिंग का साउंड आएगा और आइटम क्या हो जाएगी, आपकी खुल जाएगी। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, नाउ वी हैव एक्सरसाइज, नाउ वी हैव व्हाट, एक्सरसाइज। सो a mouse is dash in size, mouse is what, mouse is small in size, so there is a option, mouse is small in size. A mouse has a dash which is fixed to the CPU. Mouse has what, I'll show you. A mouse is what, mouse is it has a tail, है ना, it has a tail and we fix it with CPU, so tail is the second answer. A mouse help us to dash picture, what, it help us to draw picture. Pressing the mouse button once is called, when we pressing a mouse button, it means we are clicking, okay. Now true false, a mouse helps to select any item on the monitor. हम माउस से मॉनिटर के ऊपर जो भी आइटम होती है उसको सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं ना। This is true or false? It's true. So write down T here. A mouse has 3 or 4 buttons. माउस में कितने होते हैं, 3 और 4 buttons होते हैं। Is it correct? We have just learned a mouse has only 2 or 3 buttons. या तो 2 होंगे या फिर 3 buttons होंगे। Okay? So this is F. यहाँ पे false लिखेंगे। The function of a mouse is to click. माउस का फंक्शन क्या होता है, क्लिक करना। True or false? It's a true. The function of mouse is click. Now 4th number. The small arrow which we see on a monitor is called stick. The small arrow. I'll just show you here now. Shown you here. So it's a small arrow. Is we call it stick? हम small arrow को stick कहते हैं? No. It's a mouse pointer. So this is also false. Okay. Now C part. Take the best answer. What do we call the small arrow moving on the monitor? जो small arrow है monitor पे जो move होता रहता है, हम उसको क्या कहते हैं, mouse pointer कहते हैं या फिर tail कहते हैं या फिर stick कहते हैं। We call it mouse pointer. Yes. Now the second one is dash opens an item. How we open the item on a monitor? We click how many times, single click or double click or scroll, which is the correct one? This is the correct one. When we double click on a mouse, then item will open. Now answer in one word. Which finger must be placed on the left mouse button? लेफ्ट माउस बटन कौन सा है, ये वाला। इसमें हम कौन सी फिंगर रखते हैं, दिस फिंगर, दिस इज योर इंडेक्स फिंगर। This is on left side we put always index finger. So write the answer index finger. Okay, INDEX finger, index finger. Where do we fix the tail of a mouse? Where we fix the tail of a mouse? We fix the tail of a mouse where we fix to the CPU. Where? CPU. So the correct answer is CPU. I will send this exercise through Sophos to you. Okay. Now this is, encircle the parts of mouse and its functions using the help box. Like first one is a play game. With the help of mouse we play game na. The next is a pointer. So you have to find out where is written pointer. It's a play and you have to find out where is pointer, then you circle the pointer. Okay, and next is click. Where is a click? You have to find out where is click. This is, see, this is a click. This is your activity, so you have to do it. Okay, you have to find out and you have to do it. Click circle here. Okay, then select is here, you circle it. Fast is also here, fast, fast is also here. See, fast, fast, circle here. Okay, so in this way you have to find out all the words here and circle it. Okay, so this is your activity, you have to do it at home. So I hope you understood the chapter well, you understood the function of mouse. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.